Okay, everybody. My dad has got a new garage door put in, 'cause his old garage door panels that we replaced last weekend, and over like the beginning of the summer, the Friday, like the beginning of the that summer, I was driving the black pickup around, and I hit the garage door with driving that black GMC 1500 pickup around with the busted brake line. That's why we got a new door up here. So, well, I'll close it down and I'll show you all the new stuff. And all right, let me get some other light on here so it ain't so dark in here. There. So it's got new spring, new drums, new cables, new rollers, and new tracks, and new hinges, and so if you look at the track, look how brand new these are. Then when I go to disconnect the doors, it kind of lifts up off the ground a little bit, and it lifts up pretty good. It's like this. So, pull it down here. And I don't know if you really noticed, but we kind of adjusted the door arm a little bit, and so we kind of adjusted the door arm, and here's the outside of the garage door. It's all brand gray new on the outside. Alright, well, I thought maybe I'll run it a couple times and hold on. And I don't know if you noticed, you can't even hear the spring making too much noise, and the new spring making too much noise. Well, here, I'll open the door back up and I'll show you how how smooth the rollers are. Look at that. Look at that. So, nice clean rollers. And alright, thanks for watching.